Moen Home Care offers a variety of bath safety products providing peace of mind, comfort, and style in the bathroom. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a transfer bench. Only one tool is needed, a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Attach the legs to the seat. Position the seat upside down and attach the front support to the seat edge with 4 1¼ inch bolts. Tighten until secure. Align the leg assembly with the bolt holes along the back of the seat. Insert 4 1¼ inch bolts and tighten. Rotate the angled leg supports on the legs toward the front of the seat and attach them with 2 5/8 inch bolts. Insert the leg assembly into the support and secure it in place with 2 1¼ inch bolts. Step 2. Install the back support to the seat. Insert the back support arms into the holes at the rear of the seat back. Thread a 1/2 inch screw into each arm. Then align each screw head with its corresponding slot and rotate 180 degrees to lock the arms in place. The seat back can be right or left facing, depending on your preference. For a left-facing assembly, the front leg is on your left. Attach the seat legs with 4 1½ inch bolts and washers. For a right-facing assembly, the front leg is on your right. Attach the seat legs in the same way. Depress the adjustment buttons on each leg to find your desired height. The final step is attaching the support handle and included Moen Home Care accessories to the bench. Place the support handle into the appropriate holes in the seat and attach it with a 1¼ inch bolt. Tighten until secure. Then simply insert the basket organizer and handheld shower holder into the desired slots. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a transfer bench is fast and easy with Moen Home Care. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.